how many modules are there, what are all the topics, and which book you have to refer. And of course, modules, 5 modules will be there, and completely with respect to power system and analysis, where you're going to discuss about the generator, reactances, impedance, symmetrical, unsymmetrical, how to do the analysis, means calculation part. So that will be completely discussed in this subject. It is one of the core subject and mandatory for electrical engineer to know about it. And with respect to the book, I said Kothari. DP Kothari is one of the standardized book preferred for PSA. And remaining all are reference books like Elements of Power System Analysis and Design by Duncan Glover, and Power System Analysis by Hadi Sadat. These are all like references you can go for it. And textbook is Modern Power System by DP Kothari. And addition to that, you can refer a local author called Neelakanta. So it like it is completely concentrated on with your questions, with your syllabus as per that only it was designed. So first I prefer Modern Power System by Kothari, and second you can go for your local author. Okay. So first, as you're given the introduction about what is balanced load, what is symmetrical and all. So these are the major components we are using in a system for synchronous machine, transformer, transmission line. And next is with respect to load. Different loads are available. One is static and dynamic loads. So this is given why power system modeling is required. See, if somebody asks you to do calculation and all, of course we go with the mathematical representation. But in mathematical also, we see mathematical models. We'll write it represent in a simplified form called a graphical representation or block diagram representation or in your simulation representation. So it makes you very easy and very clear to understand, okay, where is generator, where is transformer, what I need to calculate, like your C circuits, electrical circuits, AC circuits and DC circuits. Same way, we are going to consider this power system analysis from generation, distribution, sorry, transmission and distribution by using a modeling. That's what is given for planning the operation, improvement and expansion of the power system. It is required to make through an analysis of the system. This necessitates the modeling of the power system network. A complete model of a large interconnected power system representing all the three phases becomes too complicated. See, if you are going to think about all the three R phase, Y phase, and B phase at a time, you will calculate means you will be get confused. Yes, which one I'm doing, where which one I'm calculating. So that's what you have to discriminate. Is it a symmetrical load or unsymmetrical load? Because if you know balanced condition, unbalanced condition, if you calculate any one, it is possible to say similarly the second phase is also we are getting, similarly third phase also we are getting it. That's what they say. Complication of a model will increase, and when you consider any problem, it is not so simple. You see, from the beginning of your engineering, you started studying with basic electrical. In that, Ohm's law you studied, then KCL, KVL you studied. Then in the next 2 semesters, you have gone for electric circuit theory, because every time your circuits are going in a complicated way, means it's a repetitive way. So there we need to determine which is possible to solve. Can I use Ohm's law for solving all the complicated network? Not at all. It is very applicable to the simplest form. So in higher version, what to do, how to simplify. So in that way, a complete model of a large interconnected power system representing all the three phases becomes complicated, rendering it almost possible for analysis. Definitely, because if somebody asks you to do calculation of a matrix 2 cross 2, definitely you will do by your own. 3 cross 3, you will try it. 4 cross 4, also you hardly try by your own, and with much of time, you'll complete. But somebody asks you 5, 10, then how you will do? Of course, we are going with a calculator and some mathematical formulas to simplify that. So because of the symmetry of the system and the balanced nature of the voltages, three phases, symmetrical, balanced, the system can be reduced. Means whichever the complicated things are existing in a continuous way, 1, 2, 3, 4 recurringly. So we are finding a path in simplifying the concept. So generator means you're writing number of components for generator. So I'm writing it as only one circle with symbol of alternating, it's a generator. So similarly, transformer, how we can replace, and bus bars or circuit breakers, how to simplify. So you're writing everything in one line diagram or single phase system. So this is a simplification of a three-phase network. Because you see, if you visit any power stations like your hydro power station, nuclear power station, or anything, so you'll have a single line diagrams. Of course, if you have visited any of the KEB stations, substations, you can see at the front itself they will display what is the single line diagram of that power system or power station. It will give you complete clarity. how much power is generated, how much they are transmitting, and where and all they are distributing, which line will be loaded more, which line will be off, shutted down. All the details will only represented in a just diagram, single diagram. But if you go out of that diagram, you can see it is a huge area. Acres together of area can be used for implementing that much of sources. But to analyze, being an electrical engineer, just a single line diagram will going to tell you what is happening in the generating station. Very clear clarity you're going to get it. And here, first part, basic some theory is there because that is very important to simplify the notations, simplify the components. Because whenever we say generating, we'll always consider a synchronous machines. So I think your friend has taken this diagram already. Synchronous machines means you can consider as one is alternator, another one is a motor. So how to represent? Can you tell me this which connection, star connection or delta connection? Is it star or delta connection? You have to answer.
Star, ma.
Star
Star.
connection, right? Okay, star connection. So star connection always we used to write only windings. In first year we used to write only